lips them bun, them burning. Oh my gosh, guys, never guess who I saw the other day. I really wonder why East Africans have big foreheads. Look, guys, this is how you know I'm dyslexic. I've moved on and I haven't even told you what I'm doing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dolly's World. And on today's video, we're going to be sitting down with me and my little friend. I've had this little teddy for so long. I've had her for years. I got her from Build-A-Bear. I've taken off her clothes so she's a bit naked, but nevertheless, I love her so much. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Don't want Fred to hear that because he's gonna get well gel. So before we get started, I'm going to be doing my makeup. I've got freshly faced, I've washed my face, and as you guys know, now I'm a short hair. I like wear my hair short, so I'm a short hair girly. But I'm not decided if I want to, like, once it's like in this state where it's kind of like grown, where I need to like get it cut, but I am not yet due to go and get it cut. So I usually just scrape it back, like brush it back, and then put some gel on it, and that's it. But before we get started, let me just quickly get something that I use on my skin. This little machine on my skin, which I absolutely love, gets my skin nice and tight. Not to be honest, I'm not even just tooting my own trumpet, not that I need it, but I like it because, girl, I love you. I do that for a couple of minutes, and it's got like different settings, and it's very inexpensive. I got it from Amazon. I can't remember how much I got it for, but I absolutely love it. That's what I do. It's got different settings. It's got red is hot. I think the red is like to get rid of like scarring and stuff. I forgot what color, but it's different. It's got like 3 different colors, as you can see. Like now it's like purple, now it's like blue, now it's like more blue. Anyway, so that's it. It makes me actually feel good. As you guys know, I'm not really a makeup type of girl. I obviously like makeup, but I'm not really this is finished. I'm using this this Tom Ford stick, and I'm just gonna cover I'm gonna look in this mirror so I can see myself better. I'm just gonna cover oh, maybe I haven't, because all I want to do is is just cover my blemishes, and actually that is it. It is running out. We've got to scrape it. The thing I like about this stick, it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily. I've got extremely oily skin. Tap 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 tap. Oh my gosh, guys, never guess who I saw the other day. What's his name? Kipchoge. He's like a Kenyan athlete. Shout out to all my Kenyans. I saw him just like basically running. I think there's something going on in Paris. So I saw him in central London. I was in the car, I was driving, and I saw him, yeah. And it was really nice to see him. He's really slim and tall. I guess when you're like run that much, you can't really be, can't have like, I guess all different types of athletes have to be a particular type of build. So yeah, he was really slim. And you know what, guys? He was running in the rain. Yep, in the rain. So there's never any excuse not to do anything. It was pissing down with rain. We even had hailstones. It was a horrible day. And I saw him, and he was look, guys, this is how you know I'm dyslexic. I've moved on and I haven't even told you what I'm doing. So I'm using this Too Faced, which I absolutely love. This Too Faced concealer. I usually just use the same brush, but I love these brushes. These are like these little Bobbi Brown brushes. I've got like 4 of these, because I absolutely love them. They do so well. Guys, believe it or not, I'm almost done. Like, I am almost done with this. I am almost done. Oh my god, the other day I did this foot thing. It was so nice. Honestly, it was so nice. And then, guys, I get this powder, which is like, I think it's just like, I don't even know what the name of this powder is, but I absolutely love it. As you can see, I really do use it. And then I put it on my forehead, my big forehead. Shout out to all the East Africans. I really wonder why East Africans have big foreheads. Yeah. I like to think mine's not that big. Okay. Everything I've noticed about makeup is all about dabbing. Just dab, 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 dab. But I like my makeup like literally almost like I don't have anything. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. But nowadays I've realized how good it is. Then I use this banana luxury powder, which is like, it's like a translucent powder. I get one of these little things, put my little finger in it. Again, not very expensive. I got it from Amazon, and then I go like that, and then I go like that. Again, dab. This gets rid of all the creases in your eye. I've got a new, she's not new, but an eyebrow lady I go to. She's really fixed my eyebrows. They're so like, they're back to how they used to be, nice and thick. I use this got to use this got to be. Then I just do my fill in my eyebrows, because like I said, this lady's done such a good job. I actually just don't even need to fill in my eyebrows that much like I used to. She's really brought back my eyebrows. Fun fact about me, guys, I don't ever pluck this part of my eyebrows. I never pluck this part of my eyebrows ever. I just realized I've had like my back, my shoulder kind of back to you guys. And then I do that. Then I've got this, what's this called? Revitalash. This Revitalash, I don't know if it's meant to use it before bed, but I use it during the day, before I go to bed. Before I go to bed, I actually put castor oil on my eyelashes. And I put this during the day. It's supposed to help your eyebrows grow. Now let that dry for a minute. Ooh, let it dry. And then this is another Too Faced Better Than. I think I should say that on camera, but I'll let you guys read it. But hey, it's a bit crude. But I use that. I didn't even know that's what it was called. To be honest, guys, I prefer, because I've got quite thick eyelashes, I prefer the little combing ones, because with the combing ones, they're much better for me. I think this is what actually just makes my makeup, my eyelashes. So guys, look at my eyelashes. Look how long and luxurious they look. Then I do my bottom lashes. I'm very grateful, and thank God, I actually have quite long bottom eyelashes. And then that is it, guys. Like literally, that is it. All I need is some lip gloss. Do you know what I realized? I have too many things. I actually do. Then I use this Too Faced lip injection, maximum pump. I use this. I love this lip. As you can see, it's almost finished. It's not almost finished, but it's thing is. And then when you put it on, it feels so spicy. Put chili on your lips. Not yet. Sometimes it's like, if you feel like it's not coming, and then it just comes, and it's just, your lips are so spicy. I'm still not just yet decided whether I want to put on a. So this is what I'd really usually do. I'll just do this, and then I'll just put some gel in my hair. And then, you know, the thing is with me, guys, I have such thick, I mean, right, let's find my, you see, even finding my scalp, it takes a little bit of a while. I have such thick hair. My hair is so thick. I mean, thick. I was gonna start there. I don't think I'd ever go bald because my hair is just so thick. There's too much of it to go thick. See, now it's that little thing, it's tingling. It tingles and it starts to burn. So that's it with my makeup, guys. I'm still not sure if I'm going to wear a wig or not. I don't think so, you know. Because I actually really don't wear wigs. I actually don't really wear wigs. I really don't. I like them. And I've actually got a wig that I need to go and collect that I got them to blow dry for me. But I actually don't. I actually really don't wear wigs. So I think I'm just gonna do my own hair. Because I've got some hair grease there. Because like I said, my hair is so thick. And I washed it yesterday. The only thing that I'm finding is my hair's a bit dry. It's so dry. It's so dry. But it's so thick. And you see guys, no shedding. My hair, that's what I was telling you. I might have out of all that, I've got one little hair that's just fallen out. My hair's so thick, it don't fall out. Well, thank God. My hair's so thick. I really don't feel like putting gel on it today. But it just looks like one little tiny bushy afro. Yeah, I don't want to put gel in it. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna. Now my lips are burning. They're really burning. Ooh, they're burning. It's burning. Inachoma. I'm just gonna put a little hair. I love me in a headscarf, to be honest. And there you go. I'm ready. Ready to. Oh, my lips, them burning. My lips are burning. I mean, they're burning. That's why I don't put too much. But I go excess. Let me put another lip gloss on top. My lips are gonna look like I've just dipped them in grease. I like this one as well. This one doesn't pure lips. This one's just high gloss, lightweight. Just, yeah, a nice little gloss. I like it. And then that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, getting ready with me, putting on my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time. Bye, guys. Kisses. Mwah.